Hey, what's up guys, how are you all? At the IFA 2019 event in Berlin, LG has announced the LG G8X ThinQ smartphone, successor to the LG G8 ThinQ, which was unveiled back in the MWC 2019. The LG G8X ThinQ, as expected, comes with the same specs as the G8 ThinQ, but with an in-display fingerprint scanner, a new dual-screen accessory, and a water drop notch on the front. The LG G8X ThinQ features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Full Vision OLED display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. This time LG has replaced the wider notch with a water drop notch and has removed the front-facing two-way camera for palm gestures or hand ID that was present on the G8 ThinQ. The G8X ThinQ is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 7nm octa-core processor with Adreno 640 GPU. There will be an 6GB and 8GB of RAM variants coming with a 128GB and 256GB of internal storage options. The smartphone runs on Android 9 Pie and is backed up by a 4000 mAh of battery with the support of Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology. The camera on the LG G8X ThinQ comprises of a 12MP primary unit and a 13MP of ultra-wide-angle lens. There is a 32MP of selfie camera with an aperture of f1.9 that takes great selfie pictures. LG G8X ThinQ with the dual-screen accessory is expected to go on sale later this year, and the device will debut as LG V50s ThinQ in South Korea, where it will offer the support for 5G connectivity. So this is all about the LG G8X aka LG V50s. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.